So I just stumbled upon this data science curriculum for beginners from Microsoft, and it's packed with tons of insights.
Oh, really? What makes it stand out? I've seen a lot of data science courses out there.
Well, it's a 10-week course with 20 lessons, each one combining project-based learning with quizzes. It's like learning by doing.
That's a solid approach. I find that hands-on experience sticks better than just theory. What topics do they cover?
They start from the basics like defining data science and ethics, then dive into more practical stuff like statistics and data visualization.
Statistics, huh? That's often a tough sell for beginners. How do they make it engaging?
Exactly, they integrate quizzes before and after lessons to keep learners engaged. It's like a mini self-check.
That's interesting. But doesn't it assume that all students will take quizzes seriously?
True, but it might help set intentions. I mean, having a quiz could motivate some to pay attention.
I can see that. It also reinforces the material. What about the project-based aspect? How does that work?
Each lesson has projects that get progressively complex. They start with easy coding tasks and build up to real-world projects.
That's a great way to bridge theory to practical application. Do they provide any resources for help?
Yes, they have a Discord community for learners to collaborate and seek help. That's a nice touch.
Community support can be a game changer. I wonder how they handle diverse learning speeds, though.
Good point, they claim the curriculum is flexible, allowing students to go at their own pace.
Flexibility is key. What about the multi-language support they mentioned?
Oh, they support multiple languages through GitHub Actions. It's pretty accessible for non-English speakers.
That's impressive. But does this mean the quality of translations is guaranteed?
I guess that's something to consider. Automated translations can sometimes miss nuances.
Right, and that could be a barrier if learners misinterpret essential concepts.
Exactly, but overall, the initiative looks promising. It could be a solid foundation for many.
Definitely. And it's cool to see big companies like Microsoft contributing to education.
For sure, plus, the community aspect creates a welcoming environment to learn.
I wonder how they ensure quality control of the content provided by various authors.
That's a valid concern. Quality assurance is vital, especially in technical subjects.
Maybe they have a review process in place. It would be interesting to find out.
That would make sense. Also, with contributions from many authors, diversity in perspectives is a bonus.
Absolutely. It could reflect different teaching styles and areas of expertise.
And it helps in creating a richer learning experience. I wonder how they handle feedback.
They encourage it through their discussion forum, which is a good way to iterate on content.
Yes, engaging with users can lead to improvements and keep the curriculum relevant.
Speaking of relevance, do you think the content is up to date with current industry trends?
That's crucial with technology evolving so fast, constant updates are necessary.
I hope they have a mechanism for updating lessons. Data science is always changing.
Let's hope so. It would be disappointing for learners to rely on outdated information.
Exactly. But overall, this seems like a promising step for beginners in data science.
Totally, it's exciting to think about how many people might get a foothold in tech through this.
I agree. It's all about making data science accessible.
So, what do you think is the most critical takeaway from this curriculum?
I think it's the blend of hands-on projects with community support that really stands out.
Right, that's what could make the difference for many learners.
I'm excited to see how it evolves and how learners benefit from it.
Me too, it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Absolutely. Who knows, it might inspire a whole new generation of data scientists.
And that's something to celebrate.